Good morning, student. Ninth class chemistry, chapter number 5th. Continue with our topic. Here, group 7A or the group 17 halogens called as a salt former characteristics 7 electron in their outermost orbit. We can see the 7 electron in the outermost orbit. Most reactive nonmetals. Fluorine is the most reactive and iodine is the least reactive halogen. There is a steady increase in the melting point and the boiling point as we go down the group. Fluorine is a gas, chlorine is a gas, bromine is a liquid, and iodine is a solid. Acetylene is highly radioactive and rare element. Intensity of the color of element also increases from pale to dark. Fluorine is a pale yellow gas, chlorine is a greenish yellow gas, bromine is a reddish brown. Iodine is a violet solid. They all are poisonous and have the similar strong pungent and unpleasant odor. They all form diatomic molecule, that is we can see fluorine diatomic, chlorine diatomic, iodine and bromine. They all have valency 1 and form compounds with similar formula. For example, hydrogen chloride, bromine with bromine, hydrogen bromide with hydrogen iodine, hydrogen iodide. They produce a series of compounds with the other elements, and chloride, bromide, iodide together they form known as a halides. Halogen themselves can react directly with the metals to form the metal halides or salts. They all form negative ion, carry a single charge, that is a single charge, minus or minus 1 we will say, a negative ion. Group 0 or group 18, that is a noble gases. When Manley first constructed his table, there was no indication that a whole group of elements, that is a group 0, remained to be discovered. Because of their lack of reactivity, there was no clear sign of their existence. However, analysis of the gases in air led to the discovery of argon. Helium was first detected by spectroscope of light from the sun during an eclipse, and the other noble gases were isolated. William Ramsay isolated these gases. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for this, the major contribution. So Manley constructed the table and there was no indication of the zero group, but slowly they discovered, and by the different experiment, and then the noble gas. Now we have these gases such as a helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon are referred to the noble inert gases, meaning that they do not react at all. So their octet is completed, so they are not reacting. In 1960s, some compounds of xenon and the krypton have been made. Their name was changed to noble gases. Here, characteristics, electronic configuration. Now we are talking about the noble gases. There, except helium, other all having the 8 electron in the outermost shell. Helium having 2 electron in the outermost shell, and their octet is completed. Here, they all are colorless, tasteless and odorless gases. They are monoatomic because the octet is complete, electronic configuration is stable. Noble gases are liquefied with a great difficulty. Gases are slightly soluble in water, and so they move from the helium to radon. Solubility increases. These gases emits the color light. Their melting point and the boiling point are extremely low. The use of noble gases depend on their unreactivity nature. Helium is used in airship and balloons because it is both lighter and unreactive. Argon is used to fill the light bulbs because it is a well-known react with the filament even at a high temperature. Best known use for the noble gases is perhaps used in the neon light. The brightly colored advertising light work when an electric discharge is passed in the tube containing the little of a noble gas. Different gases impart different color. That we know. That the use this is the use of all these noble gases. Elements of the group 18 are between the two groups. That group number 1 and group number 17, as they are related to this reason. Group number 1 and group number 17 are also very reactive, and they react and try to attain the noble gas or configuration. So thus they are related with the group number 18 like this. Yeah, uses of periodic table, just read the uses.